Hi there, welcome back to Rathaus Academy. Today we will start with a different software, that is Photoshop. And what we are going to do, we are going to learn masking in Photoshop. As you can see that I have got this image which is different, and this mask I have put over here. Actually I have taken two images, and then one of this and the second one is this. And then I created this composite figure using masking. So it's going to be interesting. Let's get started. Take a new file. That's too small. Let me take a new one. Face of this actress. Right click on that, copy the image and just paste that. Now press Ctrl T to adjust within the canvas. Now the white background is there, so I don't want this background. So with the magic wand tool, I'll select this, and then I'll go to the select menu and select inverse. After that, just move it here, and with the help of move tool, just move this selection here. So only the mask is there here. Now it's too big. I don't need this anymore, so just leave it. And when this is selected, press Ctrl T and make it smaller. Let me zoom this so that let me first cancel that, and let me zoom the picture. She is wearing the mask, but again the eyes are not visible, so I want my eyes back. What you'll do, go to layer palette, and can you see this option? This is to add the layer mask. Click on this and you'll get the mask layer here. Now make sure that the foreground color is black and your background color is white, and take your brush. Take the suitable size. Let me take 7 first, and afterwards I want to zoom the picture so that it is more clear what I am doing. Again click on your brush, and then I think I have to move the mask a little bit up more. So again I need to adjust its size, so Control T. How about this? A little bit more, I think. The center, and then I'm going to add the mask again. Take your brush and then try to reveal the eyes. And then using your brush, you can erase what is there in the mask to reveal the eyes. Now if I want to decrease the size of my brush, so again let me use my square bracket on my keyboard to decrease the size. That is the opening square bracket, and if I want to increase the size, I can use the closing square bracket. As you can see, these things also I don't want, so you can erase them as well. Again you can zoom in to be more precise, and then you can erase it very easily. Let me increase the size a little bit. First of all, suppose I have done this, and then use your arrow keys, up and down arrow keys, to see which of the function is suiting it better. For me, I think this was the best one, so I want this one. Okay, so this is luminosity. One more thing, that different any interpretation of a scene, just like we used to do in double exposure, you can also try using mask. So that's all. I think you are going to try it. If you have any difficulty, you are always welcome to comment and just give your problems in a comment. I'll reply to that and solve those problems as well. Try out and keep watching. Thank you.